Posidonius, a luminary of the Hellenistic era, stands as a beacon of intellectual synthesis, weaving together threads of observation, philosophy, and scientific inquiry. Born in Apamea, Syria, he traveled across the Mediterranean, embracing cultures and landscapes that nurtured his expansive intellect. His philosophical lineage, rooted in Stoicism, guided his empirical explorations, allowing him to merge the rich tapestry of geographical inquiry with philosophical reasoning to forge a new understanding of the earth. One of Posidonius's most notable contributions lies in his refined estimation of the Earth's circumference. Building upon the groundwork of Eratosthenes, he utilized the elevation of the star Canopus in different locales to arrive at a striking approximation of 29,000 miles. This remarkable calculation not only brought him closer to modern understandings, but also laid the groundwork for future scholars such as Ptolemy, and eventually influenced navigators like Columbus. Such ideas shaped an evolving cartographic narrative, transforming how humanity perceives its place in the cosmos. Posidonius did not limit his studies to mere measurements. He also introduced groundbreaking theories on climate. He delineated the Earth into various climatic zones, positing that latitude directly influenced human behavior and environmental conditions. His ideas hinted at an early form of determinism, where the interplay of celestial movements and earthly phenomena crafted the destinies of civilizations. Thus, Posidonius forged a perceptive connection between the heavens and the earth, inviting future thinkers to explore this profound relationship further. In his examination of tides, Posidonius astutely linked the moon's phases to fluctuations in sea levels, marking significant strides in the understanding of scientific principles governing nature. His inquiry did not exclude human cultures. Rather, he delved into the unique characteristics of varying societies, such as the Celts, highlighting how geography shaped cultural evolution. This multifaceted approach paved the way for cultural geography, emphasizing a progression from primitive to sophisticated societies dictated by diverse environmental contexts. Despite the loss of much of his written work, Posidonius's intellectual legacy reverberated through history. His ideas echoed in the writings of later scholars like Strabo and Pliny the Elder, and his influence persisted across time, shaping Islamic geography and Renaissance thought. Posidonius's discourse represents an essential pivot in geographic evolution, nurturing a new generation of thinkers who would explore the interconnectedness of human existence and our planet. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, Masters of Geography.